My marketplace is not for custom homes. I'm a spec home builder. So I don't really get customers calling me up saying they want solar collectors on their roof. Although I am asked by many people who my subcontractors are that installed my solar equipment, and I then respond to them who my solar installers are at Sound Power. But then I go on to explain to them that they shouldn't even be thinking about installing solar equipment until they've changed out every light bulb in their house to fluorescent, and until they've insulated to the maximum amount possible in their home.
Right, conservation first.
Exactly, because PV is expensive. And it's a stupid way to spend your money until you've conserved energy to the extent that you can.
So do you work within the Energy Star programs, or where do you try to go with your spec homes?
Oh, we go every direction we can. So we're in Energy Star program, which an Energy Star home means that you're 15% more efficient than a code required standard. We're 67% more efficient than our current code. So we're in Energy Star, but it almost seems like that's a little bit of a joke. So then I was approached by the Building America folks. They're part of the Department of Energy, and their goal is to have builders build as close to zero energy use as possible. So that's the program that we're taking very seriously, and they're giving us the technical support to help us fine-tune our systems to get closer to that goal of zero energy use. We may never get to zero, but we want to get as low as we can go. And then in addition to that, we're in the Built Green program, and we're certifying all of our homes at the 5-star level. These 3 homes that you see in the background are the 16th, 17th, and 18th, no, 17th, 18th, and 19th homes that we've built at a 5-star level. And they're the ones that have taken it to the highest level within 5-star. We're at 650 Built Green points here. The greatest barrier that I see are, I'm going to be a little cynical now, okay? They're the realtors and the appraisers and the people in general who want to tout green and saving the planet, but they don't want to put their money where their mouth is, or they don't want to take it seriously. Green is a fad right now, and hopefully it's the type of fad that will turn into a permanent lifestyle change. But right now, a lot of people are saying, oh, I want green this and I want green that, but I don't place it high enough on my priority list to shell out a few $100s extra per month for a higher mortgage, even knowing I'll get it back in energy savings for whatever reason. Either, well, let's see, maybe I wanted granite countertops and I didn't want to change my thinking about how granite uses a lot of energy to pull it out of the mountain. Or maybe I thought I wanted to live in a more stylish neighborhood because that's the neighborhood that's in this week, instead of opening my mind and realizing I could buy this great 5-star green home that might not have been in a neighborhood I originally thought I wanted to live in. So it's people stuck in their ways of thinking, not necessarily because they want to be stuck, but because it's hard to change. And so there is, even though there's all of this great publicity and there's the wheels of change are sort of grinding in motion, I don't think that the shift has happened yet. So the greatest inertia is when realtors really wholeheartedly as a group embrace all the features of green. They will enthusiastically show the green homes and be able to explain what those features are and turn a buyer around who might have been holding back. Or until the appraisers understand why a green home is more valuable, they're going to continue to appraise them at the same value as they do another home. And so a home buyer will think, well, why should I pay an extra $50,000, $100,000 for a home when in fact it only appraises at the same price? And so it's those are key people that control people's attitudes. Now, publications are coming along. Many magazines and newspapers already have spent lots of print space touting green virtues, lots of it. It's out there. So People have to read it, people have to digest it, and then people have to decide that they're going to consciously lighten their footprint. And they'll do it in whatever way they can. So it's going to require sort of a paradigm shift in the way people think.